Barrel that we just installed the other day, and it just rained for the first time. It's been raining for about 2.5 hours. Kind of drizzling, really. I wonder if there's any water in here yet. Come on. Oh my God. Holy cow. Well, there you have it, folks. Rain barrels actually work. Holy cow. That's just crazy. My goodness, that's rainwater. Well, there's your proof. When water won't come out of your faucet anymore, you don't have to die after all. Oh man, I'm gonna get 3 more of these, one for each downspout.